Hello, my name is Dr. Helen Clancy, and I'm going to be your instructor for your Trends course. Presently, I'm an adjunct. I retired. I've taught at Upstate for probably 5 years, but I've taught at Cuca College for probably over 20, and I've been a nurse for over 50. Done a lot of different things. I hope I can bring my experience to your capstone course. You can do so much with nursing. This course is really meant for you to showcase the skills that you learn throughout the program. And I really have to say, I give you all a lot of credit for you reaching this point in this time of the COVID. I know you're all probably working overtime, taking care of kids at home, maybe parents also, and going to school. So you should be very proud of yourself that you got to this point, and it is my job to make sure we all get through this course successfully with the least amount of stress as possible. If for any reasons you can't submit an assignment on time, just let me know. I realize that many things in our lives are not under our control at present. Email me. I go on my email in the morning and at night, although I go to bed early because I'm old, but I do get up first thing in the morning and look at email. I'm going to give you an overview of the syllabus and the course schedule and then each module. As I said, this is a fun course. It should not be stressful. There's practicums, but your practicum, you need to start thinking about what committee at work or what group can you get involved with and do a CQI project where you can find a process that can be improved, an opportunity that they can work on, and we'll talk about it in detail. I do have WebEx, and anytime you can ask to have a conference with me and we can meet over WebEx. There is a group project that you all are going to sign up. I didn't put you in groups. I figured you all know each other well by now, and you can sign up for your own group. You have to do a presentation about a trend in healthcare, whether it be telehealth or whether it be the impact of COVID or the changing in the academic accreditation criteria. You could select whatever you want, and you will do a PowerPoint presentation, and every member of your group has to participate. But we'll go through the course. If you look at it all at once, it might be a little overwhelming, but if we take it in little pieces, we can get through it. As I said, I'm looking forward to working with you. I've had many of you in other courses, and it'll be nice to continue our relationship. So thank you.